Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch Netflix together long distance. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome browser, and here you need to first log in into your Netflix account first. So go on to the website, create and add your login details and log in into your account. Once you've done that, you simply need to open Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome Web Store, and here you need to search for Netflix party, and here you can see that. So you simply need to select this one and you need to add to Chrome. Click on add extension and that extension will be added here. So here you can see that it is now added here. Let me pin this first. Okay, so here you can see that you need to first start the video and then click on the extension icon. So once you started a video, so after you start a video, so simply here you can see that I added. Once you start a video, here you can see that on Netflix you will receive a code here that you need to copy and share with your friend, and you and your friend are together watch on Netflix together. So this is the process how you can watch Netflix together long distance. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.